Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. So we all know it's easier to add keyframes in CapCut using our mobile phones. But how do we add keyframes in CapCut using PC? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in a very easy way. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Open the CapCut in your PC and now create a new project or edit your existing project. Now I'll choose to edit my existing project. Now once you're in your project section, there is no option of keyframing, right? Now to enable keyframes, first of all, what we have to do is simply choose a clip where you want to add keyframes. And once the video is selected, you can see different options right here. And here, these are the keyframes. So when you want to enable a keyframe, simply click on transform. And now choose the type of scaling that you want in your video. For example, leave the first keyframe to be as it is. And I'll take the play at the end of the video. And here, again, I'll click on keyframes to enable the keyframe and scale it up. And also choose the frame that I want. If we play the video from the beginning, it'll look like this. As you can see, our video is slowly zooming in. That is because of our keyframing. And similarly, if you want to add keyframes in different videos, you can select the video and add your keyframes according to your need. And just like that, we can add keyframes in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.